नई प्रेजेंटेशन के साथ नए नए जो चैलेंजेस हम स्टूडेंट्स के सामने रखते रहते हैं इंग्लिश को सिखाने के लिए, उनकी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इंप्रूव करने के लिए, क्योंकि इसी ही तरीके से तो खैर इंग्लिश बोलना सीखा जाता है। फ्यूचर के अंदर आप इंटरव्यू जो है वो जब देने के लिए जाएंगे, फेस टू फेस आपको अटेंड करना पड़ेगा, नर्वस आप ना हो जाएं। और इस बैच में एक नया चैलेंज हम लेकर के आए हैं। ये जो पेपर्स मेरे हाथ में भी आप देख रहे हैं, सभी स्टूडेंट्स को ये पेपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाएगा, एक एक करके उनको हम स्टेज पे बुलाएंगे। इस प्रेजेंटेशन में इनको करना क्या है, स्पॉन्टेनियसली आपको यहीं पर खड़े होकर के आंसर बनाने हैं। देखते हैं आइए कैसा स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्म करते हैं। एंड जज मत करना, क्योंकि अभी बिगिनर हैं और मेरे ख्याल से हम सभी जो लोग हैं वो जब सीखते हैं तो हमारा नई चीज को सीखने का जो तरीका है वो सबका सेम ही रहता है। गिरते हैं, फिर उठते हैं, फिर गिरते हैं, फिर उठते हैं, और इसी तरीके से हम सीखते हैं।
So good morning everyone. Good morning. My name is Vanchika and I am here to speak some lines about me. So I think English is a good language to speak and learn, because English is most powerful language that we can communicate with everyone, and also it's an international language, so we can communicate with each other. Nervous, and I was not good at speaking English, but now I feel confident to speak in English. Biggest mistake of my life is to stay with the negative peoples that always indulge me negative things into me. So that's my biggest mistake in my life. My best friend is very supportive and loyal to me, because she supports me in everything and motivates me how to become better person. I'm damn sure that I'll be a successful person in my life. The impact of mobile phone in my life is positive, because I learn things. I learn good things from my phone, and it's create a positive impact on my life. My planning is to become a successful person in my life, and I will achieve that success in my life, and I'm sure. Sometimes we should spend time with our family, and because family is very precious for us, so we have to spend time with them also. Maturity comes when we have the responsibilities on ourselves other than parents, and also when we get married, I think maturity comes then. Teenage is a good life to enjoy and have fun, and also it's important to upskill our knowledge and become a successful person in our life. Best way to improve ourselves is to learn new things in the life, as we have only one life, so spend it wisely to achieve success in your life.
I think my life is fulfill my dreams and proud my parents when I come to Harvard to speak English, and to build my confidence and my personality. I love reading newspaper. I read different types of newspaper, just like the Times of India, Dainik Jagran, etc. My parents gives me an opportunity to something new and supports me. Biggest mistake of my life is when I am not going to my cousin wedding. She is my one of the best sister in my relatives. My best friend is helping in nature, and he gives me a support for when I am going on depression.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Srishti, and I am here for my presentation session. I think English is a must language in today's era, because after your future jobs interview, so that's why. My life is a good, because life is a short, and my parents is my golden gift in God, because my parents is so supportive me and hardworking, and also supporting me motivation, so that's why I am damn sure I am successful in my life, and my best teacher is Rohit sir. He is motivations me always. My planning is to I want to become a bank manager in my life. So I have hard work on dreams to make it come true. Life is a fun. Life is a book. Every day is a new page.
My parents, my strength. My biggest mistake of my life is trusted people. My best friend is my cousin brother. It's helped me every problems in every situations. I am damn sure I will learn. I will learn speak English.
I think English is a very useful and must learning language because everywhere you can use it for your job, for your career. My life is going good. When I came to Harvard, I did not say a complete sentence in English. Learn day by day. I love my family. My parents are very genuine and very good. Maturity comes when you work on yourself. Teenage is a very crucial age.
Morning everyone. Good morning. My name is Aryan and now I am present your presentation. I think English is a very important language because it's a global communication language. When I come to Harvard, I am very when I came to Harvard, I am very excited and I was very excited and nervous because I am nervous. I love my family. My parents are my inspiration. My father is a very hardworking and my mother also. Biggest mistake of my life is I am not study in 12th and one time I am fail. My best friend name is Rohit. My friend name is Rohit also. He is belong to my nearby village. The impact of mobile phone in my life is very bad because I am every time playing game. My best teacher is my parents. My planning is to become a pharmacist. Stop using social networking sites because he waste your times. In childhood, I was very shy, and every teachers say me, you are very shy person. Go to outside, play games, outdoor games. I'm never go. Time is a best healer. When I help other, I feel comfortable. Every day is very important. Enjoy your day.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm here for my presentation season. I think English is a global language. My life is very complicated, and I am very short-tempered girl. I love my father because he is my real hero. I want to become a CA. I want to become a CA. My best teacher is accounting teacher and very supportive to me. And she is my idol person. Stop using social network sites because very bad and not good.
My best friend is Pragyan because in the Harvard Institute he supports me a lot and help me to improve my English. I am damn sure that I will become a successful person in my life and especially in historical field because I want to become an historian. The impact of mobile phone in my life. So mobile is very useful in my life as well as a distraction because mobile gives me an opportunity to do and research about something that I want to know, but also it distract me a lot sometime because there are many apps and etc which distract me from my goals. So my best teacher is Rohit sir because he gives me opportunity to first come on the stage and speak and I love him. My school days were, so currently I am in school and I think that My school days were very precious to me because I learned many things and made many friends like Pragyan and many more. Sometime we should, I think, sometime we should take a break from our goal, because if we continuously do anything for our goal, we get exhausted, from which we can't concentrate on our goals. And maturity comes when
My life is all about living in a moment. I always try to live in a present moment. I always try to enjoy every moment of my life. When I came to Howard, I was very nervous. I was thinking that whether I am able to like cooperate with everyone or I'll become an introvert. I don't know, but the people here are very supportive and friendly. So it's like a second home for me. I love my parents very much. My parents are my biggest supporter. They supports me in everything. The fifth one is my parents. As I always told you guys, my parents are my biggest supporter. I am nothing without them. From my childhood, they always help me in doing everything in my life. They never stop me. They always encourages me. Biggest mistake of my life is trusting people. I always trust people, and at the end they show me their true colors. My best friend is my mother. My mother is my best friend because I share almost everything with her. She is my best friend. She is not a like old or orthodox type of person. She is very cool. So I love my mom. I'm damn sure that I will become a successful woman in my life. I will become a good human first. I want to become a good human first, and I think I will be successful in my life. The impact of mobile phone in my life is very distracting. I find my mobile phone very distracting. I always get distracted by my mobile phone, so I think it should be banned. My best teacher are my experiences, the experiences that I learned every day. I think they are my best teacher. My school days were the golden days of my life. Best way to improve ourselves is to be a learner. I think everyone should become a learner first. Like you should learn each and everything, no matter who you are with. You should learn everything with everyone.
My name is Anukul Tyagi. I am here to make some sentences complete. So my first sentence is, I think English is a very funny language. You you see some words used in your daily life, and you want to respect someone, you use the word you, and you have call someone who is little is younger than you just use you. And someone is older than you use the word you. So that's why I feel sometimes English is a very funny language. Third one is, when I come to Harvard, I feel very confident, but after I spend some time there, I feel that I have learned a lot, because I am not good in English. And when I see my juniors, there is a junior, she speaks good English. That's why I feel so underconfident. Six is, the biggest mistake of my life is to fight unnecessary in my college life and make enemies more than my friend. Seven is, my best friend is no one is my best friend, I think. So I should avoid this sentence. I am damn sure that I will be a champion one day in my life. I don't know in which field, but I am damn sure that I will be a champion.
So hello everyone, my name is Gaurang Shauja and I am here to answer these questions. So the first question is, I think English is overrated in now these days. Like everyone is learning English language, and most of them don't know why they are learning English language. They are just learning because they don't think like there are also other language that they can also learn. So my life is very ups and downs in my life. Every day like comes, like in today I went my college and my practical was got very great, and then I come back to home and I get a very sad news. Then my day got worse. So I think my life is very up and downs in daily life, and like sometimes my mood get very excited and other other after 1 hour and 2 hours, like my mood get very worse. When I came to Howard, I think like that I gonna learn English in few days or in 3 months. Definitely. Fourth question is, I love myself very much and I am very obsessed with myself and very delusional kind of person. Fifth point, my parents are best in the world. I think they really give me a very great upbringing and teach me a very great life lessons and push me towards to the spirituality way and taught me what things are good and what are bad. My biggest mistake of my life is to join my college, SDIMT college. I think that was my biggest mistake. My best friend is my brother.
तो आइए अपने आप को इस तरीके के चैलेंज में रखिए। अगर आप रियली में अपना कम्युनिकेशन इंप्रूव करना चाहते हैं, कभी भी वीडियो देख करके कम्युनिकेशन या इंग्लिश नहीं सीखी जाती मेरे दोस्त, आपको ऐसे ही लोगों के सामने खड़े होकर के बोलना पड़ेगा। सारी की सारी चीजें हमारे पास हैं, माइक है, ये पोडियम हमने तैयार किया हुआ है, पूरा का पूरा स्टेज आपके लिए बनाया हुआ है और सामने जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जब वो क्वेश्चन आंसर आपसे करते हैं एक हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन में, ऐसे ही आप सीखते हैं। टेबल के चारों तरफ बैठ करके ग्रामर पढ़ पढ़ करके सिर्फ और सिर्फ दिमाग परेशान ही होता है। लास्ट में आप पूछेंगे इंग्लिश आई क्यों नहीं। आइए, स्वागत है आप लोगों का, एक्सेप्ट कीजिए ये वाला जो हमारा चैलेंज है। शाम को 6 बजे हमारा एक नया बैच बनने वाला है और उसमें आई रियली वांट टू इनवाइट टू एवरीवन। एक बार नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे आप कांटेक्ट करना और पूछिए उसका क्या फीस स्ट्रक्चर है, क्या क्या उसके अंदर हम